Tired of expensive AdSpy tools and wasting hours searching for products? Stop paying hundreds every month. Our powerful AI finds winning products instantly for a single, one-time payment.
Welcome to ProductLair. Find winning products instantly. ProductLair gives you granular ad data. See engagement metrics and growth trends. Make informed decisions for your store. Let's check the ProductLair features step by step.
I will leave the link in the description. Click on it, and you will be taken directly to ProductLair. I am going to log in now and show you some of its features. As you can see here, this is the products section where you can find products that are still new in the market and are likely not widely tested yet, because the app uses an API to spy on new products listed on AliExpress that have repeated daily orders, which makes them potential winners. What is good is that ProductLair provides important metrics here. For example, in the product details section, we can find all the details of the product, such as product cost, seller on AliExpress, shipping cost, and how many units sold, which is an important metric to know whether the product is still new or saturated. It also shows shipping time, how long it will take for the product to arrive to the client. The app also automatically generates targeted interests that you need to use for Facebook ads or TikTok ads, as well as key features that you should include in your ad copy, which is very helpful. Now let's check the launch plan section. In this section, ProductLair gives you the best formula on how to price your potential winning product during the testing phase. It gives you the exact recommended price you should sell this product for and helps you set up your ad campaign correctly by showing you the exact daily ad budget, target audience age, and top markets you should target during your testing phase. All this data is not random. It comes from deep experience and research to guide you in the right direction instead of losing money in random testing. For the creative angles, ProductLair gives you the best targeted angles you should use in your ad campaigns, as well as Facebook and TikTok ad copies and Instagram captions in different angles, so you do not need to think multiple times. It provides a deep guide that explains the exact strategy you should follow during all steps of promoting this product until it becomes saturated. Now let's check ad performance and dropshipping potential. This section gives you an exact percentage rate showing how likely a product can go viral. As you know, a problem-solving product should have strong features, and this section tells you how strong your product is before you spend any money on it. For the market insight and competitor analysis, both sections show the competition level for the product you choose, how many stores have launched the product, and how many are currently testing it. There are many products updated periodically during the day based on the number of sales on AliExpress and Alibaba and the product listing time. Many products are still new and have not been tested yet. Now let's check the current running ads section so we can see which products have good metrics and can be potential winners before we spend anything on ads and invest in them. In the filter option that appears here, we can choose the category of products we are interested in. For example, let's choose the home and garden niche. As you can see, there are many products advertised by others, and if you check below the videos, you will find the store URL running these ads. In general, there are many ads running. Try signing up and taking a look to test the service much more. I tried to summarize the idea to avoid making the video too long. I hope I brought you good value. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. See you in the next video.